How to set up a video lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. At the top here, tap on the lock screen. And then we're going to tap on the icon at the top here. And then tap on Gallery. And in your picture gallery, select a video that you want to use. So here I've got a video. And then tap on Done. Here at the bottom, you can tap on the trim button to select the part of the video that you want to use for your lock screen. Then tap on Done. And that's it. So now if you go back to your lock screen, and that is how you can set a video lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.